You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Do one thing every day that scares you. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. The secret of life is to fall 7 times and to get up 8 times. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising every time we fail. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you have failed by default. When you take risks, you learn that there will be times when you succeed, and there will be times when you fail, and both are equally important. It's only when you risk failure that you discover things. When you play it safe, you're not expressing the utmost of your human experience.